Hey everybody, Pete here. Yeah, I was just looking through Marketplace the other day and saw something right here in my backyard. It was a 35-minute drive from my house to this spot. A guy up there was selling these two FJ40s, this 72 here, and then a 63 down there. I'll throw that up on the screen. They're pretty rough, as you can see. Very rough. This one has engine and transmission, no transfer case, and a lot of good stuff on here. Some parts of the engine I could probably use. Some other pieces here and there too. Pardon the old chickens over there. And the 63, no engine. Yeah, I'll show some photos of that too. But anyway, just had fun going up there taking a look at them. He was kind enough to deliver them right here to my yard, so that made it a lot easier, and we've got two new additions, so we now have 5 FJ40s on the property. Anyway, thought you'd enjoy just seeing these arrive and unloading and see what's going on. Just an update. Okay, here we go. Okay, we've got an unknown year, but I got a frame number so I can look that up. Got our 68, 73, and now I have a 63, and we got the 70 in the garage, up in the shop. So we have 5 FJ40s. Crazy.